In the previous video, you installed Fusion 360 to your computer. Now we will download and install Discovery Live. A link to ANSYS's free student products is included below this video. Click on Discovery Live Student, then the Download button. You can see at the bottom of the Terms of Use agreement that the file is quite large. Get it started and take a break. Under the System Requirements page, you can find some estimated download times based on your internet bandwidth. After the installation package is downloaded, open the compressed folder and run the setup application. It may take a few seconds to start, so be patient. Agree to the terms of use and select your installation location or keep it at the default. Once the process is complete, the installer will check to see if your graphics card is compatible. If it's not, you may need to update your drivers, physically install a new graphics card, or try a different computer. You should now be able to find Discovery Live and a number of other ANSYS products in your Start menu. Launch the program to ensure it's working properly and explore some of the included examples.